Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Ludo King stop working right after you updated your phone to a new version? Here's the quick fix. First, restart your iPhone completely. Hold the side button and the volume down at the same time. Slide to power off. Wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. iOS updates create temporary conflicts with apps, and a full restart clears most of these right away. After restarting, go ahead and open your App Store. Then tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. After that, scroll down and look for Ludo King in the list of available updates, since developers typically push iOS compatibility patches quickly after major Apple releases. Tap update immediately if one is showing. If there is no updates yet and Ludo King is still broken, go to your settings, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage, find Ludo King, tap offload app once you see it, and then go ahead to your app store and reinstall it fresh to get a clean build for your current iOS. So all you've got to do is restart the iPhone, check the Apple store for a Ludo King update, offload and reinstall if needed. Ludo King works on your new iOS, and that's it. Subscribe.